So let me tell you what's so great about product reviews. Every week products come in, people write me, hey, can I send you my product? And I'm like, yeah, sure, send it, here's my address. And then they send me product, right? This is the first time ever that I can remember that I don't remember approving this product or saying yeah or anything. They just sent it. I didn't know how they got my address. They just sent their product. So out of respect, because I think that's so awesome that they're that aggressive, I'm going to show these products. It is, well, come on in close. Let me show you. So here we have a juicer, and this isn't like your regular juicers that you put fruits and vegetables through and you get juice and you drink it for breakfast in the morning. This is for like making fresh orange juice, fresh lemonade, that kind of stuff. So we're gonna try that out. And then this one is a food processor, a multi-food processor. So we're gonna chop up some stuff and see how that does. And it's both from the same company. I wanna say, I keep wanting to say mayonnaise, but it's mayonnaise. Forgive me if I'm mispronouncing it, but the company is mayonnaise, and they sent me a juicer and a food processor, so let's give it a run. So here's the juicer. Now on the box it shows kind of a spout coming out this way, but this is a spout that goes down right into this glass. Comes with a cover, so when you're not using it, you can just take the cone off and then pop the cover on. We're not going to be using the cover today. These things come right off. There's two different sizes. There's this size. Oh, I guess. Sorry, I didn't even know that. When you touch it, it spins. When you touch it. And then there's a bigger cone that goes on for bigger fruits. So we're gonna do a orange and a lemon, two of the most juiced things. And then we're gonna have it go into this cup here, just to catch it and see if it falls directly in. Here's a quick tip. If you want more juice out of your lemon, you can microwave it for 5 seconds, or you can press down and roll. That releases a lot more of the juices before you cut it open. You'll feel it break down inside. This device amazed me. I'll have a link down below if you want to get this. This is great. I'm keeping this. This juices 100 times better than I thought it would. It cleans out the fruit. It's beautiful. It captures all the seeds and the pulp right up here. And you have nothing but pure juice right here. I think it's safe to pull my cup out now. Let's try this. Hold on. Look at that. That's clean, fresh juice right there. Oh, that's good. So we're going to do two types of chops. We're going to do soft, like bell pepper chop. Then we're going to do hard, mixed nuts. I got mixed nuts here. He claims to do mixed nuts and stuff like that. So we have a low and a high. The high is for the harder stuff. The low is for the soft stuff. So let's take this off. It's kind of wobbly. Let's put the peppers in. Then put that on top, and then well, it's not. Let's try the high. It's just spinning. Oops, hold on. It's just spinning the device. Hold on a second. Okay, so far I'm not a fan of this. Just because it's so complicated. So it's not really chopping. It's moving everything around, but it's not chopping up the inside. Not on low, not on high. And it's jamming up. I have no idea what, I'm done with this. Yeah. Not sure what's going on there, but it's not doing the job it claims to do, so that is not a success. Not really sure what happened right there. The bottom was spinning on its own, and then I got it to stand still, and it jammed up, and it wouldn't chop, and I have no idea. So that wasn't a success. As much as the juicer is a success. We love the juicer. We're keeping the juicer in the kitchen. That's a definite. That was a shocker. So I'll put the link for the juicer down below, but this food chopper did no chopping of soft peppers. So I'm not going to try the nuts. Not even going to bother because it's not doing the job it should do. I'll stick with my KitchenAid, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Cooking with Jack. Love you.